Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the Notes app on Redmi Pad 2. First, open the Notes. And right here you can create a new note. You can type whatever you want. You can change the font size right here. You can change the font even more, whatever you need. You can create the checkbox. You can change, as you can see, you can highlight. Also make a list. Now, when you click this icon, you have the sketchbook that you can draw in. Here you have different pens and pencils, of course the colors. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.